Jodi agus tá 100 míle fáilte rómh ag Nollaig na mBan Fhiáin agus mRuairí an Atlantaigh Fhiáin. Bliain eile agus téimid na bhfuilmid margheall ar COVID an 19. Ar nói níor thuir sin bach ar bhréith an Atlantaigh Fhiáin a thart le chéile le teispantas a chur aber lethir. Rinsead é sin ó bhfuidim féisian atá eagraithe ag Brí Carr. Nis imlíana a rís cemid bailú airgid dá aispris go na ngáil margheall ar an niobar aonta atá a dhéanú acu. An éirí tírí le mRuairí an Atlantaigh Fhiáin €1,800 a bhailiú an náisbis agus an nói tá sula acu chur leis sin imdhéana. Tá mRuairí an Atlantaigh Fhiáin asca Curran den Condaid agus rinsead ar fád féisian sa bháile agus ma dúirt tá sé chur le chéile ag Brí Carr. Imdhéana teiste bailú airgid a rís agus níl agah si go tíre a síntas a chur ag www.idonate.ie/an-tosaigh WAWB agus a dá. Mar sin siga séanis agus bunaigh solt as an teismanta seo ó mRuairí an Atlantaigh Fhiáin.
Hello, Brí Carr here at the Donegal Hospice here in Letterkenny in County Donegal. I hope you all have a lovely Nollaig na mBan and a safe, blessed and peaceful 2022. Today's concert is all about raising much needed funds for the Donegal Hospice. Another year where we have to go online. Please God, next year we will have our live concerts as usual. In the meantime, enjoy our virtual video and thanks to all the Wild Atlantic women from all over the county who are doing their bit this month for Donegal Hospice.
No, it's not what I'm supposed to say or do. Somehow the words just come out wrong. But I'm so tired after all that we've come through, and I need to hear your song. You were always there beside me to share my sorrow and my pain. Now I need your faith to carry me. I need your shelter in the rain. For me, with the voice of an angel, take my hand and help me fly with the world at our feet. We can reach the highest heavens, greet those angels in the sky. féidir gal go fleis is can in maio in san cór. Bí má leiach, bí má cara, má hollis in san dardas, bí misna le dóhis is lenyard. Can tú sun trí na maio go jémore har. Go jémore har.
Somewhere down the line we'll meet again. We'll sing and dance and we will meet old friends. We'll sit and talk and tell our stories through. It's been nice just being here with you. He'll talk about the night that they first met, her eyes and smile that he could not forget, and how he asked her to the local dance. For him it was the start of true romance. And here you are tonight with us again. She is now your wife, your lover, your best friend. Through the years you're happy as can be, and it's so nice to have your company. In the corner sits a lady on her own. She's happy just to listen to the words of every song, and tap her feet to the sound of the melody, and smile as people dance past gracefully. The time has come and we must all go home, but before we leave, let's sing another song. The memories made tonight here as we part, until we meet again we'll cherish in our hearts. And somewhere down the line we'll meet again. We'll sing and dance and we will meet old friends. We'll sit and talk, tell our stories through, and it's been nice just being here with you. Yes, somewhere down the line we'll meet again. We'll sing and dance and we will meet old friends. We'll sit and talk, tell our stories through, and it's been nice just being here with you. Yes, it's been nice just being with you, friends. And somewhere down the line we'll meet again.
Two sweet voices there, but we're not near finished yet, because we've got something very special for you now. We've got Liam Loudon and the Clouds Trio.
Hi everyone. For the past number of years, Brí Carr and the Wild Atlantic Women have been doing a concert in aid of the Donegal Hospice around the 6th of January to celebrate Nollaig. Unfortunately, this year, like last year, we cannot do a live performance on Green Theatre, so we're doing a virtual one on Facebook with a link provided to donate to the Donegal Hospice. My contribution to the concert is a song that was written by Stephen Foster at the beginning of the 19th century. It's been recorded by Dolores Keane, by Nancy Griffith, by Tommy Fleming, to name but a few. It's called Hard Times, and I hope you enjoy it.
Let us pause in life's pleasures and count its many tears, while we all sup sorrow with the poor. There's a song that will linger forever in our ears. Oh, hard times come again no more. 'Tis the song, the sigh of the weary. Hard times come again no more. Many days you have lingered around my cabin door. Oh, hard times come again no more. While we seek mirth and beauty and music light and gay, there are frail forms fainting at the door. Though their voices are silent, their pleading looks will say, oh, hard times come again no more. 'Tis the song, the sigh of the weary. Hard times come again no more. Many days you have lingered around my cabin door. Oh, hard times come again no more. There's a pale sorrow maiden who toils her life away with the one heart whose better days are o'er. Though her voice would be merry, 'tis sighing all the day. Oh, hard times come again no more. 'Tis the song, the sigh of the weary. Hard times come again no more. Many days you have lingered around my cabin door. Oh, hard times come again no more. 'Tis a sigh that is wafted across the troubled wave. 'Tis a wail that is heard upon the shore. 'Tis a dirge that is murmured around the lowly grave. Oh, hard times come again no more. 'Tis the song, the sigh of the weary. Hard times come again no more. Many days you have lingered around my cabin door. Oh, hard times come again no more.
time with family and friends. Gave up vacations for work without end. 24/7, 365, I was willing to make the sacrifice. But empty or full, I've carried my pain. You don't drink the water if you don't dig the well. Through blood, sweat and tears I have built a good life, but it didn't come without sacrifice. But I was gonna be rich no matter how much it cost, and I was gonna win no matter how much I lost. All through the years I've kept my eyes on that prize. You ask if it's worth the sacrifice. The sacrifice. I think about Jesus and all that he gave, and the ultimate sacrifice that he made. He is my strength and my guiding light, and he taught me that nothing's without sacrifice. But I was gonna be rich no matter how much it cost, and I was gonna win no matter how much I lost. I wanted success, and brother, I paid the price, and yes, it's been worth the sacrifice. The sacrifice. I was gonna be rich no matter how much it cost, and I was gonna win no matter how much I lost. Grindstones and rhinestones have made up my life, but I've shone like a diamond through sacrifice. I was gonna be rich no matter how much it cost, and I was gonna win no matter how much I lost. I hope God will tell me, well done my child, you've won your reward through your sacrifice. The sacrifice. But sometimes I wonder, in the still of the night, was it really worth the sacrifice? I've often laughed and I've often cried. I've often failed, but I've always tried. I made the sacrifice.
Avanadi Hall?
Yeah.
Cool.
MhicRuairí Ealaíontóir Grammy dunyan mi ho Cosmora Yal Churrain Smeg all and Atlantaigh Fhiáin Take shoe and trash a hoga Snannach will a hurricane Shaven cats snatch Honi mi ilhiko na the fajo go is na a hurricane see go the boy who one alone
Gramoigh, tá silas me going to soltas and soala. Fair play, Meg.
Hi, I'm Sarah and this is my niece Joni and my sister Jennifer, and we're going to sing one of our favourite Alison Krauss songs called Simple Love. I hope you enjoy it.
Little yellow house sitting on a hill, that is where he lived, that is where he died. Every Sunday morning, hear the weeping willow cry. Two children born, a beautiful wife, 4 walls and living's all he needed in life. Always giving, never asking back. I wish I had a simple love like that. Simple love like that. My mama is only a little girl. If he'd had the money, he'd have given her the world. Sitting on the front porch, together they would sing. Oh, I long to hear that harmony. I want a simple simple love like that. I hope I had a simple love like that.
Old Alice Island was swarming like a scene from a costume ball, decked out in the colours of Europe and on fire with the hope of it all. Vimo answer féinan in a yasu, Lina Thursha na Stanley has borg. Now all the three cast na linja, Ingrale Ashling den Uara. Oh, sometimes when I look in my grandfather's emigrant eyes, I see that day reflected. I can't hold my feelings inside. I see starting with nothing and working hard all of his life. So don't take it for granted, say grandfather's emigrant eyes. Now he sits and he rocks at the window, but his eyes, they're still just as clear as the day he sailed into the harbour to land on that island of tears. Now my grandfather's days, they are numbered, but I won't let his memory die, for he gave me the gift of this country, the look in his emigrant eyes. Oh, ham go ham narkan, sasula moshana herfi, tan mashin le feka na blincha dobri she godi. Gan power a dear nua a chila ned in harliar. Tash Gaeltachta le feka isula moshana herdi. Oh, sometimes when I look in my grandfather's emigrant eyes, I see that day reflected. I can't hold my feelings inside. I see starting with nothing and working hard all of his life. So don't take it for granted, say grandfather's emigrant eyes. Don't take it for granted, say grandfather's emigrant eyes.
The long and winding road that leads to your door will never disappear. I've seen that road before. It always leads me here, lead me to your door. The wild and windy night that the rain washed away has left a pool of tears, crying for the day. Why keep me standing here? Let me know the way. Many times I've been alone, and many times I've cried. Anyway, you'll never know the many ways I've tried, but still they lead long, long time ago. Don't keep me waiting here. Lead me to your door. Yeah, yeah.
Of all the money that e'er I had, I spent it in good company, and all the harm that e'er I've done, alas, it was to none but me. And all I've done for want of wit, to memory now I can't recall. So fill to me the parting glass. Good night and joy be with you all. Of all the comrades that e'er I've had, they are sorry for my going away. And all the sweethearts that e'er I've had, they would wish me one more day to stay. But since it falls unto my lot that I should rise and you should not, I'll gently rise and I'll softly call. Good night and joy be with you all. If I had money enough to spend and leisure time to sit a while, there is a fair maid in this town that sorely has my heart beguiled. Her rosy cheeks and ruby lips, I own she has my heart enthralled. So fill to me the parting glass. Good night and joy be with you all. My dearest dear, the time draws near when here no longer can I stay. There's not a comrade I leave behind, but is grieving for my going away. But since it has so ordered been, by a time to rise and a time to fall, come fill to me the parting glass. Good night and joy be with you all. Good night and joy be with you all.
Hi, my name is Catherine Regan. I'm the Director of Nursing for Donegal Hospice and the Palliative Care Services in Donegal. Just want to say Happy New Year. Thanks to you all for your support to Donegal Hospice over the last year, and we look forward to your continued support through 2022. Happy Nollaig na mBan, and you know what to do, click on the link below. Thank you.
There's been a change in me, a kind of moving on. Though what I used to be, I still depend upon. For now I realize that good can come from bad. That may not make me wise, but oh, it makes me glad. And I never thought I'd leave behind my childhood dreams, but I don't mind. For now I love the world I see. No change of heart, a change in me. For in my dark despair, I slowly understood my perfect world out there had disappeared for good. But in its place I feel a truer life begin, and it's so good and real, it must come from within. And I never thought I'd leave behind my childhood dreams, but I don't mind. I'm where and who I want to be. No change of heart, a change in me. No change of heart, a change in me. Summer's ends around the bend just flying. The swimming suits are on the line just drying. I'll meet you there, bear our conversation. I hope I didn't ruin your whole vacation. You never know how far from home you're feeling until you watch the shadows cross the ceiling. Well, I don't know, but I can see it snowing. We're in your car, the windows doors are wide open. Come on home. Come on home. You don't have to be alone. Come on home. Valentines break hearts and minds at random. That old Easter egg ain't got a leg to stand on. Well, I don't know, but you can't win for trying. And New Year's Eve is bound to leave you crying. Come on home. Come on home. You don't have to be alone. Come on home. The moon and stars hang out in bars just talking. I still love that picture of us walking, just like that old house we thought was haunted. Summer's end came faster than we wanted. Come on home. Come on home. You don't have to be alone. Come on home. Come on home. You don't have to be alone. Come on home.
Feeling kind of troubled with the way the world is going. I was living in a bubble and I had no way of knowing what was really going on around me. I think I'm walking through a movie scene. I'm feeling kind of sad for all the people that are fighting. I'm seeing all the madness, all the things that they've been hiding. Fallen angels in the shadows, trying to change the way the golden water flows. But we're gonna be fine. It'll be alright, 'cause the light's gonna shine. The light's gonna shine. I'm dreaming of a world where everybody's full of kindness. I'm sending prayers up above to take away the blindness. People sleeping everywhere when unity and truth and love are in the air. But we're gonna be fine. It'll be alright, 'cause the light's gonna shine. 'cause the light's gonna shine. Yes, we're gonna be fine. The light's gonna shine.
Hello, my name is Dr. Jessica Sui, currently the consultant in palliative medicine in Donegal Hospice. Click on the link below. Happy Nollaig Noman.
Hello everybody, wishing you all a very happy new year. I hope 2022 is wonderful for everyone. My name is Emma Martin. I am so glad to be part of this fantastic initiative in accordance with the Wild Atlantaigh Women for a very special cause that is Donegal Hospice. So please, if you have any change to spare, if you could please click the link that's attached to this video. All donations are very greatly appreciated, and the money goes straight to Donegal Hospice. So today I am going to play one of my favourite pieces to play. Unfortunately, I don't have a name for it, so if anybody does know and can inform me, please just write it below. I would be delighted to find out a name for it. It's an absolutely beautiful piece, and I thought it would be very apt for this performance. So, without further ado, wishing you all a very happy new year. Agus Nollaig man honna Eve go léir. Gur míle maigi.
Right God bless this world we are creating. You're all I ever need. Oh, I believe this bride will always walk right by your side. We'll keep you safe when storms roll by for all our lives. This bride will be your rock in changing times, your source of strength, your sole wife. This bride, this
Hi, Isabel here from Donegal Hospice. I would like to thank you for supporting the Wild Atlantic Women Concert. This is our 4th year and we're delighted that you are able to support us in every way. Thank you so much. Happy Nollaig na mBan.
Nuair a hagan saol go mai, be mé an caraí leis, mar duine bhád níos fearr, nuair a bhíonn an saol go mai a rís. Níos tuis go ná mar a bhí, be mé de friúil an sin, im cóil níos a bhaimide, nuair a hagan saol a rís. As gláim mé suas má chrí, is leaky me and donas jay. Johnny me las ha he got. Nur a hagen see the reached. Tarrincha an lunya mudge is calling my rain dohas. Kneeling rati akchin and sailor I. Rhi shaw fresh and shaw hugging length and ya kai him me jarmala aru so ne go a heart to us aska suicide griha it's link and on this jar jen lasu ha ye guard nur a hagen sailor Oscar sus magars a rish Eish le hardracht and sangi Ahri ahen parky Nur a vien an sail Go my reach Galan ditch ma yeah Vehem denya bre Kaji karis kach Asgo susargar sula Ark kadatair shul It's bugging major I own A chavi Asklagi suesar griha It's lake and grahish jam It's feature patched a rat A veil ladger fouillera It's my hanasolia Nur a vein and sail go high It's beshe my reach Bein dongle lerer beach Shajian kushta and rod matabaga bashji tagan boish jefflape majalik ahrihan Shulans na park and nash me is an nia. Is bar in grimer ma Gaeltachta. There a hagen fio Sarah hemwa. Boolen lemma harja small highlight. Can make shed make kayara. Irmart serum trave shishon. Maybe Dara Hassan let salas bioga jo. There a hagen. Seal a breach, nor a hagan, seal a reach.
Gdímar teisio bhfuilm ga banart a hoi I gahanna le ginne fáhanne Nollaig na mBan, agus bhfuilm weran bag go cheoldaíd dar bhainnim taime mo hí. Jirian Ealaíontóir Korchin you she's kanski safatu go get paponuti nali is the shalom here the colleagues and seal the me hard one jig the vel the wallis the hul garum klig Ghaoth me atis work le kui do ye niler du balayu is a kharij mohlib tam shlib gal eder mestu Jern Laughlin gur Coiste and Gaeltachta Garad we ma Mogaroshe ni MhicRuairí Jeroir fariar nar hatni mei Orshiarin skid go glefrid hjartlar mogri Kasuban shi tu hi seglesvelna Stjórmadiha anskilu galasher bikra Shedurchios isha emriara asernantasau Nuara hichipan khri Chaskil tarasi Cobra Slan go foil
Laughlin an hall Atlantaigh Fhiáin.
For now I leave my own true love and glance and glass Ghaothdobhair.
From the green hills of Donegal to its wild Atlantic shores.
Oh, fare thee well, sweet Liza dear, and my own dairy town. It breaks my heart to see friends part, for then the teardrops fall. I'm on my way to America, where I'll see my home once more.
For now I leave my own true love on Paddy's green shamrock shore.
Our ship she lays at anchor, she's standing by the quay. May fortune bright shine down each night as we sail over the sea. Many ships were lost, many lives it cost on the journey that lies before. With a tear in my eye, I'm bidding goodbye to Paddy's green shamrock shore. Fare thee well, my own true love, I'll think of you night and day. And a place in my mind you surely will find, although I am so far away. Though I'll be alone, far away from my home, I'll think of the good times once more. Until the day I can make my way back to Paddy's green shamrock shore. Fare thee well, sweet Liza dear, and likewise to Derry town. It breaks my heart to see friends part, for it's then that the teardrops fall. I'm on my way to America, where I'll see my home once more. For now I leave my own true love on Paddy's green shamrock shore.
And now the ship is on the waves. May heaven protect
soul. But the wind and the sail we surely can't fail on this voyage to Baltimore. But my parents and friends did wait till the end, till I could see them no more.
I then took a chance for to glance at Paddy's green shamrock shore.
Slán go fáil ó bhúna sa sléifte tríanta Fhiáin.
Slánnig sléifte muíorga a chundaúna ná.
Agus iad slán ag an aird go Lord na stúas cean cud is cáil. Nuair a bhuais me se hard le Laughlin lui cá ciún sa leanan na lui.
I má é a bhí Clann tan lás i dór is bag nar fleis MhicRuairí. Ag taistil dama frid craic Clann doan sa bhugas mo chúl.
Ní mé se dúrán a brónas le grú gur frasach a híal se súl. Go America siad a bhí MhicRuairí Huan haran na riú. Bag mas lein fa seall ag dún na ngáil sa gceann tainn was go dó. Níor bhé má bhuian sa MhicRuairí ó má hír bhagí le sin. Athram am gahalach luas a fall a haman me. Bihu in MhicRuairí sa pilu a reach nuriad hin pagan stone. Is Jodi mohil la hahulam real Alannagh la sweetoi. Slán go fáil món na nás na sléifte tríanta Fhiáin. Slán go fáil a úna a chunda I híomh gan smó. Stúdar a brein amagach nar úlaí riú ribáil. Táid MhicRuairí a bhar is gamraí scapais teabhach agus móir. Hatá beag ó buan gan bhairt gan ruam a glan tan glas go dó.
Churrain go fáil ó Donegal agus ó Bhré an Atlantaigh Fhiáin.